least I am yours, and you are mine. Hey, hey, now you are mine. Hey,
hey my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, as you can tell from the title, I wanted to just play with some hair chalk. I tried this before using the blonde, but I wanted to see how like the maroon, burgundy, whatever the color may be, how it may look. And this is like a 3 to 4 day wash and go, so I'm eventually gonna wash out my hair. So I was like, you know what, this is the perfect time for me to just play with hair chalk and, you know, just play with it. So I was like, I probably should just show it off on camera and see like if y'all like it, if I like it. I did use this hair chalk before, as I mentioned before, but it was in the gold color, which was really nice. But like after a couple of hours, it started to turn green, you know, gold and black. Eventually it's gonna create the green look. But so I just wanted to try this. So I did end up purchasing 2 of these. I bought them at Ulta. They were like $5.99, and this is the color Sugar Plum. Wow, Sugar Plum. That's so funny. That's what I call my hubby, Sugar Plum. You know what I mean, you feel me? Yeah. But alright, so let's try these out. Okay, how do I feel about this product? I like it if it's a one-day thing. If you're just trying to add a little spice into your day that day, then yeah, I like it. But it is pretty messy. I do have it on my skin. It made a whole mess in the bathroom because I couldn't do all the recording in front of the camera because I barely can't see. Like, I'm halfway, my vision ain't clear, so you know, I had to go somewhere closer, you know what I mean? I don't have no contacts on right now. So I love the color. How does my hair feel? My hair does feel dry, but as I mentioned, I am using it on a, I believe it's the 3rd or 4th day when I did this. It's the 3rd day. This is a 3-day-old wash and go. So yeah, tell me how you feel about this. Do you like it? Like, would you try it? Do you know of any other hair chalk? I was trying to look for hair wax, but I believe you have to order it because I went to Ulta, I went to Walmart, I went to the beauty supply stores. They do not have it, so most likely I have to order it. But I do know of this hair chalk and whatever. I'm trying to see if I wanted to do like, no, we're gonna leave it like this. Okay, so this is the final look. And I wish you all the best. God bless you. God loves you. I love you. And if you are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you're already a subscriber, thanks for the mad love. I see all the comments of the love. I thank you all and I love you all so dearly. Make sure to stay strong. Keep your head up. Don't give up. Look towards God. whatever you do, always abide in God. And I love you, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.